Today in our Do I Fit series, we'll be looking at how you might potentially fit on this particular motorcycle. With over 200 motorcycles already covered, as per usual, I'll be covering height ranges from 5 foot 3 inch to 6 foot 4 inches tall, and I'll be showing seated and foot down positions for all our featured riders. Keep in mind, when viewing these images, my ergonomic examples won't factor in the width of the seat. A wider seat will further impact a shorter rider's reach to the ground. My test dummies all show averaged height inside leg measurements. If you have a longer torso and a shorter inside leg, or a shorter torso and longer inside leg than average, your result will differ from the riders shown in these examples. Remember, this is only a guide. At the end of the day, your best bet is to head down to your local dealer and throw a leg over the bike. But having said that, I feel these renders should still serve as a good indication of the ergonomic comfort for each bike shown. Now let's compare your own personal inside leg measurements. To get your inside leg measurement, measure from the ground to your groin with your favourite riding boots on. Here you can see how your personal inside leg measurements compare to this motorcycle. The rendered images shown today should give you a good guide to the compatibility of this motorcycle to your own personal body proportions, and hopefully you found this video to be of value. My goal of the Do I Fit series is to gradually work my way through most of the range of the bikes currently available from all of the manufacturers, so look out for new bike videos being uploaded weekly. I'll leave a direct link to the Do I Fit series videos in the description below. Thanks heaps for watching this video today, and hopefully I'll see all of you again in the next one. Bye for now.